and welcome to our video guide for visiting the Canary Islands on a cruise holiday. The Canary Islands are the ideal winter sun destination thanks to their location off the coast of Africa and because they are a Spanish autonomous community. The archipelago is famed for its black sand beaches, the stunning Mount Teide, and for its year-round sun, but there is so much more just waiting to be explored. Arguably the best way to do just that is on a cruise ship, as you could take in most of the islands on one holiday and enjoy the very best of the Canaries in one trip. As ever, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications, as not only does it help us produce more content for you, but it makes sure you miss none of our cruise guys' top 10s, tips and advice. As you have seen, there are lots of options for where to start your cruise to the Canaries, including from the UK Southampton, but you can also start and end your holiday in the Canaries themselves, allowing you to spend time on land before or after your holiday. That allows you to enjoy time exploring and time relaxing on the same holiday. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you again next time.